As you can tell, my wood pile here is covered in snow. I did put a tarp over it to make it easier for when I had to cut it up, but I don't want to deal with that shit today, so it's a good thing that I already cut up a bunch of logs before. Yeah, that's right, I planned ahead, if you believe it or not. I even got this tarp laid out so that when I chop the wood here, yeah, I don't make as much of a mess right here in front of my garage door on the barn. Yeah, that's right, buddy. I'm telling you, I do think ahead sometimes. I know it surprises some of you guys, but I do think ahead sometimes. Yeah, that's right. New Hampshire genius at its best right here. We got some old tarps so that my cleanup is nice and easy. This is New Hampshire living at its best, baby, you know? You take this log here, you put it down, you enjoy the birds chirping, you split some wood. This is how we live. It's peaceful. It's simple. It's easy. I'm telling you, little pressure. This is low stress environment. Sure, it's hard work, but it's low stress. And that is probably the key to my early death. Let's be honest here. This is going to put me in an early grave, but hey, it'll be a nice sleep. Oh, I'm just getting ready for next year. You know what I mean? I got to do this so that I can be warm. That's the facts of the matter here. If I don't do this, I freeze. So I'm very, very happy to do every load of this because I'm getting a nice pile here stocked up. I got all this wood drying now. I got all that wood drying from before, and I can't complain here. This is a good little setup that I've got going, and my system is finally starting to work here, guys.